MC Hero D, in short, the modern Herodotus. It's time to put the past on blast and all of you to notice. We spit these bars and flow just so that all of you can know this, that history's for you and me, not just teachers and the POTUS. So kick back, chill, and let it flow, and on this journey we will go. By tomorrow you will know a new act of this Heroes Show. Yo, what's up, it's your boy MC Hero D, in short, the modern Herodotus. Today we're going to put the past on blast as we get into U.S. imperialism. In the 1890s we become a world player, so strap and get ready. Here we go. Extra, extra, read all the news, revolution around the world, it's time for a cruise, perhaps to Cuba or the Philippines, where Spanish domination been robbing dreams. But wait, hold on, slow your roll on expansion, let's mind our own business, build up our own mansion. Chill, Mark Twain ain't taking over nobody, just want to help out, not be late to the party. Marty is just asking for help, some assistance, you have to admire his passion, persistence. Cuba just wants some support in this story, besides Congress promise we won't raise Old Glory. Alright, you know every story's got a hero, so let's talk about the hero of this one. Speaking of leaders, heroes born by the minute, Teddy Roosevelt says that he's in it to win it. His crew, the Rough Riders, steal daily headlines. Up San Juan Hill, his boys marching in time. And what's that I see coming right down the lane in Havana's fine harbor, the USS Maine, keeping guard just in case. Watchdog in the ocean, oh snap, boom, what's that? A sudden explosion, now we're in, war is on. The US in full force, hasta la vista, your rules run its course. And Spain did not care much and quickly surrendered. In the end, it had been a little war so splendid. A free Cuba for now, independence at last. As Spain's ruthless rule was a fact of the past, and the spoils of war gave us Guam, Puerto Rico. And as for you, Cuba, we just want you to grow like our child anyway. The U.S. knows what's best. Sign this Platt Amendment, to us leave the rest. We'll take care of you. But what's that I hear from far, far away? Filipinos are asking to send help their way, to join Aguinaldo in his freedom crusade, hoping our forces will come to their aid. And we did, of course, send our force and our whole fleet to join in the fight, help the rebels to defeat. Spain once again sent holding their heads down, packing their bags, another Jew lost in their crown. But this time it's different, we don't come to free. We see this new gem as our territory. Oh, us as in U.S., Uncle Sam's base, for trade and protection, expanding our space. Thanks for nothing they say, you're no better for certain. Guess you carry it too, the white man's burden. To civilized people who just want their freedom, but that only counts if your empire need them, or their land, or their markets, or their vast resources, like Hawaii invaded by dole planters' forces. Sorry, Lilo, but aloha means hello and goodbye. And surf's up, your land is now a piece of our pie. And China, knock, knock, a new place to explore. You knew we were coming, just open the door. And who better to lead this imperial quest than the hero of Cuba, our finest, our best. Teddy speaks softly but holds a big stick, and he reminds everyone our Navy is sick. Sick as in mighty and willing to use, for TR to lose, not an option to choose. So fall in, Latin America, we'll bring you to order and control your business south of the border. It's our right, it's our duty, if it affects us directly or not, our self-interest a must. Hey Panama, though you may not yet exist, it's freedom you want, we'll add you to the list of recognized countries and legitimate kings. We'll create your revolt and we'll give you your wings. The canal's all we need to work and to build it. Connect East and West, in the end say we killed it. China, Hawaii, the Philippines, pushing power and trade, expanded our dreams. Imperialism was the chant of the day. When you enter the game, I said when you enter the game, players gotta play. There you have it, y'all. U.S. imperialism, 1890, Teddy Roosevelt entering the game. Hero D, peace and truth, y'all, passed on blast. Out. It's all about the hip-hop history, because the story of the past is no mystery, because cause and effect can cause you to reflect, and it never quite ends the way you expect. So we spit out these bars to tell the whole story, the winners, the losers, the pain and the glory, keeping it flowing so you could be knowing the various ways that this country be growing. Put your hands in the air if you're ready to be immersed in the hip-hop history. I said a hip-hop history, coming to you straight from Hero D.